name is Quincy, if you didn't already know, and today we're flexing out in my hair. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Sissy. I'm going to be using the Conair spiral rollers. I've seen, I don't know if it was the brand of, this girl used this brand, but I remember it being blue rollers, but I got the Conair ones. And then foam wrapping mousse, because I've seen a lot of people say they use mousse. And we're just gonna try to do this. I've never did this before, so like bear with me. The beginning of the video might be a little choppy, but oh god, I have nails on nails. Yeah, y'all remember this? Like, did y'all mom just use this? I don't know, I just got vivid like memories of this foam. But y'all, I'm going out tonight because my birthday's tomorrow. By the time I'm posting this won't be my birthday anymore, but alright, so let's get into the video. So I wanted to use the blue ones because they're smaller in the front, because I want my curls to be more defined in the front. I use the pink ones more towards like the middle and the back.
Auntie, I'm trying to record. She's like, no, and she shuts the door.
Anna, hurry up! What? I'm ready.
Then she comes back and she's like, I'm good.
Yeah, we
I'm scared. I'm about to take these out though. If this is a fail, I'm gonna still post it. I'm scared though. Maybe I should have. It's fine. I'm just take it out. Slid it off. Hold up. Hold. Hold up. Ah, it's so cute. Sorry. I didn't want them like really curly. I just want them like, you know, when you comb out your curls. Like, say you want your hair and then you comb it out. That's how I want it to be. I think it's gonna be so cute. I just gotta hope they look this cute tomorrow at my dinner. Maybe I should have did them a little tighter so they last longer, but I'm also planning on wearing my hair up. Aww. You're so freaking cute. I love them.
dirt. You be magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
What? Come through, Carl. Hello. 21 where? She still was 16.
Boy, if you don't get
How do y'all feel about it? Y'all love it? Because I love it.
How did your front one take that from?
Back fell. To curly, to crimpy, and it's been 30 minutes. If you watch this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any tips on why they fell, or something I should try differently, because they were dry, let me know. Let me know. Bye guys. See you in the next video.